Hello and welcome to the third part of chapter 7 NCRT, second chapter from the CBSE. Right, yesterday we discussed about Chola administration, right? But in this video we are going to talk about the last two topics. Okay, so the very first topic in this video would be the how did the Chola rulers improve agriculture? Already discussed in the previous video, like how the Chola rulers were improving agriculture, what were the steps taken by them. So basically, they used to clear the forest lands to bring more land under cultivation, and the irrigation works were developed, wells were dug, canals were built, and the tanks were constructed to collect the rainwater. They also built embankments in order to prevent flooding, and the Kaveri River provided water for the irrigation and fertility of the soil. River Kaveri provided water for the purpose of irrigation and soil fertility. Then there were 3-4 important terminologies mentioned. That was Ur. What was Ur? Ur means settlements of peasants. Then Nadu were the groups of villages with settlements of peasants. Generally, the group of villages with settlement of peasants was known as Nadu. Nadu were further classified into three parts: Ur 1, Ur 2, and Ur 3. You can also pronounce it like UR 1, UR 2, and UR 3. Then Velala, a caste rich peasants. Then Brahmadeya. Brahmadeya were basically the land gifted to Brahmanas by the king. Okay, now talking about the Chola administration, Sabha and Nadu or Ur, they performed many administrative functions. The rich peasants of Velala caste exercised considerable control over affairs of Nadu under the supervision of central Chola government. There were association of traders known as Nagaram. Okay, so what is Nagaram? Nagaram were basically the association of traders. They occasionally performed administrative functions in town. Then Sabha looked after Brahmadeva. So Sabha had separate committees to look after irrigation work, temple, and charity, etc. So basically, it was Sabha who used to look after these kind of works like irrigation, temple, and charity. The members of Sabha got elected through a lucky draw. Okay, so what was the qualification needed? For that, their age needs to be between 35 to 70 years. They should own their own homes. They should be well versed in Vedas and administrative matters as well, and they should be honest. These were the eligibility, you can say. And there are some important terminology in this book which I mentioned, like what is Sultan. Basically, Sultan was the Arabic term meaning ruler. Okay, and these are titles given by Chola kings to rich land owners. Movendavelam means Velam or peasant serving three kings. Then Arayar means a chief. And we have also discussed about tripartite struggle, a struggle having three parties. Nagaram means association of traders. Sabha basically means an assembly of Brahmin landowners. And then we in that particular book you will also come across Gujra Pratihara, basically who ruled over Rajasthan and Gujarat. Rashtrakutas, Western Deccan. Okay, Palas ruled over Bengal. Cholas, as the name itself suggests, something Saudi. So you can say that Cholas were ruled over Tamil Nadu, and Chalukyas ruled over Karnataka, and Pallavas ruled over Kanchipuram in South India. Okay, so this was it. The second chapter is now finished from CBSE NCRT class 7th. If you need any other information related to the same, you can mention your comments in the comment box, and do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.